Classification of crime. All crimes are not similar. There are many types of different crimes. In some crimes, only one individual is involved, and in some other crimes, there are many persons who are organized for the purpose of crime. There are such bands of criminals working at the national level, and even there are bands of criminals whose field of crime is international. It is not only the males to be criminals, but there are females and children also in criminal activities and criminal acts. So, in order to classify crime, we have to consider the seriousness of crime, the personality of the criminal, the purpose he has, or her purpose, and the type of the crime that is committed. So, the crimes are classified on the basis of their antisocial or anti personal aspects that are as under crime against the person, crime against the movable or immovable possessions, crime against moral values, crime against public peace and order, crime against public health, crimes regarding natural resources. Another expert classifies crimes into four main types depending upon their purpose or objective. First is monetary crime, crimes done to get money like theft, fraud, forgery, etc. Second is sexual crimes, rapes, homosexualities. Third is political crimes, espionage, treachery, or treason, etc. Fourth is miscellaneous crimes, crimes other than the above three types, example, quarrels, fights, kidnapping, etc. Also, crimes are often classified according to the level of seriousness, such as the distinction between the felony, misdemeanor, and petty offenses crimes. Felonies, the modern definition of felony, is any serious crime that is punishable by more than a year of imprisonment or by death. Felonies include but are not limited to various degrees of homicide, rape, or robbery. Now, the majority of modern jurisdiction divide felonies into various categories or degrees. In order to treat some offenses as more serious than others, this can be seen in homicide cases where a person may be charged with first degree murder, second degree murder, voluntary manslaughter, or involuntary manslaughter in jurisdictions that make these distinctions. One reason for this distinction is the level of punishment. First degree murder can be punishable by death while other levels of homicide usually are not. Misdemeanors, the modern law definition is misdemeanor as a crime that is less serious than a felony and is usually punishable by fines, penalties, or incarceration of less than 1 year. In modern law, the line between felonies and misdemeanors can be quite unclear. In fact, many jurisdictions have enacted laws that allow certain offenses to be prosecuted as either felonies or misdemeanors, depending upon the circumstances. Some factors that a prosecutor may consider in deciding whether to charge an offense as felony or a misdemeanor include prior offenses, seriousness of the offense, number of victims, age of the perpetrator. Petty offenses. So, a petty offense is any significant crime involving very minor misconduct. Petty offenses often consist of violations that protect the public welfare. In fact, they are usually called violations or infractions rather than crimes. A common example of a petty offense is traffic violation. Petty offenses are usually not punishable by incarceration but by monetary fines or community service requirements. The stigma attached to a conviction for a petty offense is usually minimal. One possible exception occurs when a person commits enough traffic violations to have his or her license suspended or revoked. That's all. Thank you.